Moving on to his hairline, we're starting off at the bottom and working our way to the top arch. You always want to make sure you're going slow here so that the hair feeds into the teeth of the trimmer. You always want to detail the fade after you're done lining them up. Okay, now that we're done fading, we're gonna begin our design. We're gonna do a freehand, little graphic, nothing crazy, something super simple, but not too simple. When making graphics, you always wanna make sure you over-exaggerate your curves and lines. You also don't wanna make them too thick in the beginning because you can use the razor to make them thicker. Now here, I'm gonna exaggerate this curve just so it could pop up. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated, man. Thank you. Here, I'm clarifying my sharp lines and curves. Before we use the Turkish razor, we're going to saturate the hair and use a little bit of shave gel. I'm also making sure I take very small movements with my razor blade. You also want to make sure you're going against the grain on a graphic because it makes it pop out.